Now I'll show you how to create a colour palette and 2 paintbrushes that we'll use for our design. I should point out that I'm using Illustrator CC. The first step in creating our colour palette is to open our swatch panel. So we'll go to Window, Swatches. As this is a design of a sunset or sunrise, we'll need to use some warm hues. I'm going to place the colours that I've used here. I've got 3 colours for the sky and 2 other colours that are going to give that sky some lighting effects. Select these swatches and click on New Colour Group. Let's call it Forest. Now we have our palette, we can delete the swatches from here. Next step, make our paintbrushes. With the pen tool, we're going to make a triangle shape and fill it with a darker colour for now. Here we have one. Now we're going to make another shape with the pen tool, but this time more curved. Now we're going to go to our brush panel. We'll go Window, Brushes, and we'll select our shapes and drag them onto the panel. For the type of brush, we're going to select Art Brush, and we'll leave these preset options. We'll do the same for this one, Art Brush, OK. And now we have the basics of our design, so we can start working.